Hello family, we are at the local Dollar Tree and we're getting ready to go in to pick up a few items to see what new finds they have and to get some things for some tablescapes and for some DIYs. So I just wanted to bring you all along with me. I got my mask on. I'm ready to go on the inside, so I'll see you on the inside. Hello family, and I am back home. I am getting ready to show all of you what I have bought from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't show as much as I wanted to show in Dollar Tree because there were so many people in there. So I tried to share with you as much as I could. So I'm gonna start out with my first find. And my first find was these books. These are some very nice books for $1. This one right here says Cheat the Clock, and it also says How New Science Can Help You Look and Feel Younger. So pretty much I'm going to be using these books for decor purposes. And I knew if I went to Dollar Tree, I could find nice books for really cheap. This one right here is the history of Jane Doe. But pretty much I bought these only for decor purposes. And I got 2 of those. Also, everybody, I found the cutest chargers. Normally when you go to Dollar Tree, let you see, they have chargers in this color, but I have not seen chargers with this type of texture. Like right here, when you feel it, it looks like wood, but it has like a bronzy effect to it, like a bronze light gold color. So I'm gonna bring it a little closer so you can see the detail of the charger itself. And it's really nice. It has a wood feel. So I picked up 2 of those. Have 2. And I also picked up some silver chargers. I picked up 2 silver ones, which isn't a new find at all at Dollar Tree, but it's good to have chargers just in case you need to use it for a tablescape. So let's move on to the next find. All right, everybody, this right here, this is a new find for me, everyone, at my Dollar Tree. I know a lot of you probably seen these before at your local Dollar Tree, but at my Dollar Tree, we have not had any circle ones. We always have the square ones. So we have the circle ones, and I got 2 of those because I will be using them for tablescapes. Tablescapes or DIYs, either or. Let's move on to the next. I picked up this cute little tin pail. Gonna be using that for a tablescape or DIY. They had this particular pail in 3 different colors, like a sea green, this pink color, and they also had it in white. And I picked up these candles. I mostly picked it up because of the detail of the glass. I love the detail of this glass. When I saw it, I knew I would love it for like DIYs or tablescapes, but the detail of this glass is the main reason why I got this candle. And when I got home, I ended up smelling them once I got home, but I really wasn't worried about the actual scent. I just like the detail of the glass. But this particular candle is hope y'all can see that it says watermelon kiwi, and it smells pretty good. That's the inside of it, but it's watermelon kiwi. I love that color and the texture of this glass. Beautiful texture of the glass. Love it. I also got another one too, and it has the same texture of it. This particular scent is, let me get it out so y'all can see the scent of this. This scent is, it's like a ginger scent. Ginger bergamot. I think that's right. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it's a ginger scented candle. But as you know, I got it for the detail of the glass and the color of the glass. I also picked up some lilies. I needed some lilies for DIYs and tablescapes. A lot of the summer flowers are not as plentiful, so I did find some lilies though. At my Dollar Tree, we had lilies, we had peonies, and we had some different colors of roses, but there were more fall flowers than summer and spring color flowers. So I just picked up one bunch because I'm gonna be making some floral decor before the fall starts to come in. And I got another nice find that is new at my Dollar Tree for this week, and it is these glasses. Yes, these glasses here. They are starting to put out a lot of their fall decor at Dollar Tree, and my Dollar Tree had these nice glasses with the fall leaves on it. And then they also had coffee cups with sunflowers on it that I saw. Very nice coffee cups. But the coffee cups weren't as plentiful as these. A lot of the coffee cups were gone. I could not find any matching plates. I know for a fact they had matching plates because Dollar Tree always have matching glasses, plates, bowls, coffee cups, all of that when they bring out their different lines of decor for the different seasons. But I think I was a few days too late, but I was able to find the fall glasses. So I got two of these fall glasses right here. They look so good. I really like this because I'm going to be using these in upcoming tablescapes, and I knew if I did not get it, and you know my motto, it is not going to be there. Thank you so much, family, for tuning in for another episode of Uneatly Tay. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for showing all love and support my way. Make sure you comment down below if we're not connected, and I will return the love. Always remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and create, explore, and enjoy. I love all of you, and you have a great day.